Ang naalala kong nung nag-quit ka na sa ABS, ang mga lines niyo sa amin ni Mami ay, okay, ito na yung last Jollibee natin na. Or Sunday. Last Jollibee na muna to kasi hindi na mag-work si daddy nyo. Mag-business na siya. Parang ganun na.
That's the second time. That's already the second time.
Na-attempt mo.
Yeah, that's the second time na seryosong attempt na mag full time.
So the first attempt,
the first time nag-flop, 'di ba? I'm so happy na ang daming taong naiyak ako tumulong sa akin. Ang daming mabait na tumulong, pinautang ako.
Uy, pinautang ka.
Para lang maka-continue. I remember si Mr. Zambrano. Meron siyang bank.
Mr. Zambrano? Sino si Mr. Zambrano dati?
I forgot his first name, pero meron siyang bangko dito sa Tandang Sora. Tapos na-feature ko siya, tapos sa TV. Tapos mabait siya sa akin. Tapos nung nagbe-business na ako, umutang ako pangpuhunan. Sabi ko, kailangan ko to kasi magka-quit na ako ng job. Tapos so yun, marami gamitin ako. Ay, nag-flop yung business. Hindi ako makabayad.
Magkano mga inutang mo?
At that time, maliit lang yun. Pero syempre, nowadays, sobrang liit nun. Pero at that time, ang laking pera, no?
Magkano yun?
I don't know. I can't remember kung 100,000 or gano'n. Tapos, hindi ako makabayad. Hindi ako nagpakita sa kanya. Tapos, sabi ko, flop, I really have to find another job. Baka hindi para sa akin yung business. So, that's the reason why nakarating ako ng ABS. And then, nung nasa ABS na ako, alam mo naman, talagang I work hard.
Yeah.
I really work hard. So, in 6 months time, nung nasa ABS ako, nakabawi na, nakaipon kami ng pera, bumalik ako sa kanya para bayaran siya. Tapos, nakangiti siya. Sabi niya, alam ko na time will come that you will come back to pay your loan. Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Okay, paano kayo kumukuha ng how you decide what to feature?
How do I decide what to feature? Honestly, at first, we were very particular to what we're going to feature because we were monitoring, will a lot of people want to see this, watch this, ganyan. But eventually, I also learned na it could be, it's different for every person. So even though we talk about the same business, their experiences differ. And their perspectives are different. So you're always going to get something new. It just depends on the person and my interest to learn from them. Yun.
Okay. When I was starting, marami akong experiences na I'm asking this particular company or this particular person, and nasagot sa akin, who you? What can you do to us? Were you able to experience that also?
Yes. Actually, yes, recently. minsan, oo, yun na lang, Tito Bay. Yes, hindi mo, you also can't help it because even though it's the age of etong vlogging, yung nga yung nasasabi ng iba na everyone's a vlogger nowadays. Hindi pa rin maiwasan maka-experience ng discrimination like that because you're not a TV network. Ganyan. You're not a TV network, you're not ABS, you're not GMA. So like, why would we give you more attention than other Ganyan.
So how you handle that?
It's number one, I think it's the mindset. Like you have to know the worth of what you're doing. Number one, well, these things, no, we learn from you naman talaga, for real. Kasi you had the mindset na, I think na-adopt namin na if, in-snob ka, cool ka lang, na okay, like you don't let it get to you. Na you don't take it personal because at the end of the day, you have to do agenda mo doon. So, as for that experience, medyo na-discriminate tayo. So, yun, you have to know yung worth ng ginagawa mo. Kasi ito naman vlogging, hindi ka naman talaga GMA, hindi ka ABS-CBN, but sa'yo, ikaw mismo lang sabi sa amin na almost wala naman na talagang TV ngayon. And mas beneficial pa rin ang ganitong nasa YouTube ka kasi you can always watch it anytime. Anywhere. Yun. Pwede mong ulit-ulitin.
As you need it.
Yeah, unlike TV networks na once it's aired, it's done. Ganyan. Yun. Number one, I deal with it because number one, yun nga, dapat alam mo alin yung ide-deadma mo or alin yung iti-take mo personally. Number two, alam mo at the end of the day yung worth ng mo. So kahit i-discriminate ka nila, okay. I mean, hindi nga ako GMA, hindi ako ABS, but like nabubuhay naman ako. Yun, buhay naman tayo at marami naman tayong natutulungan kasi ayun nga, marami naman talaga kasing positive na binibigay yung Pinoy How To. So, one deadma from another person is
compared to a lot of people.
Yes, a whole lot of value for other businessmen na pwedeng interviewin. So, it's okay.
Yeah. And with all these learnings, no, are you applying that in dito sa Pinoy How To? Are you treating Pinoy How To as a business?
Yes. Yes, actually, meron yung nagsasabi ng bakit daw ako lumalabas na. Parang nahiya pa nga ako, break, should it be a thing? Like, it's not that important for me. Actually, it started lang naman talaga because yung isa kong ini-interview, nahihirapan siyang makipag-usap sa akin. Like, sobrang kinakabahan siya. Nasa harap siya ng camera. So, what I did is, sige, sasamahan na lang kita, ma'am. Kasi kapag kausap ko siya, nakakapagkwento siya, nalalabas na yung feelings niya, kung ano talagang iniisip niya. So, that's when I decided na, okay, sige. Okay lang, isama mo na ako sa episode na to. Itong episode lang naman eh. But at the same time, naalala ko, yung isang businessman na nagsabi sa akin na, yung fan, nanonood din siya na Pinoy How To. Sabi niya, 2 years ka na. Dapat meron kang something new na i-offer. Casual advice. Then, dun ko din naalala na, I should be offering something new for 2 years. I've been doing the same thing. So, all of the businesses din naman na feature ko, laging dapat may bago ka. So, ganun din yung ginagawa ka na, okay, maybe I should do this more. That's why we're venturing into, shorts, short form, and then we have our merch. Yun, like, I talk to them personally na din.
Yeah. So, comfortable ka na?
Yes.
On cam?
It doesn't,
comfortable ka na on cam?
Yes. Huwag lang naka-0.5. Yeah, okay lang naman. Kasi parang wala... Actually, nung lumabas na ako, sabi ko, sige na nga, go na yun. Wala naman na silang ma-adjust sa mukha ko. Ito na yun. Yun na yun.
Oh, well, at least sa'yo, yung purpose kung bakit ka nag-on-cam because you want to help your resource person.
Yes.
Ako, pinilit pala ako ni
Oo.
Sofia. By the way, Sofia is my publicist, my executive producer for Agribusiness. So, madami siyang inputs na sinasabi sa akin, what to do, what not to do, ganyan. And you're alone, no? Eh, halos hindi ka na nag-ask ng advice sa akin. Nagulat na nga lang ako, yung subscriber ko, sabi, nagpakita na si Pinoy how to.
Okay. Yeah. Hindi na ako nagtatanong.
To be honest, hindi ko alam anong nangyayari because I'm too busy with agribusiness. I think mas maraming pa yung time na we're outside
Yes.
rather than nasa house. So, and yeah, I guess, because alam ko naman na you're doing good. So, parang wala sa problema ko, hindi ko to iniisip, hindi ko pinoproblema sa Pinoy How To. Alam ko na nag-grow sa Pinoy How To dahil andyan ka.
Yeah.
So is that the reason also? Tama ba kung bakit hindi ka nagtatanong sa akin at all?
Malapit na ako
Nowadays?
magtanong. Hindi. Ba't hindi na ako masyado nagtatanong? Because nagtanong na ako kasi sa'yo and sinagot mo na. And actually, the ball is on me. So like, I have to apply those things. Kaya, babalik ako sa'yo kapag nagawa ko na at ayun.
Yeah. Okay. Given that, no, malayo na yung narating ng Pinoy How To. Ano ang mga gusto niyang gawin this time? Oh, by the way, meron pa akong gustong gawin na hindi mo pa nagagawa for Pinoy How To.
Ano yun?
To make it a daily
Ay.
publish.
Whew. Yeah. So, speaking of future, no, we want to get there na we publish every day. Our team is trying its best to reach that level of your level, the body level. Charot. Yun the level, the strength ng team na ganong everyday na ang publish. And future, no, of course, we want to have a lot of partnerships with brands like agribusiness na you get partnerships with brands. And it's recognized as the #1 agriculture show. Charot lang. No, okay. Of course, we want to get there to a point where Pinoy How To is the go-to, the first go-to place for anyone who wants to start a business.
The business.
Yan, where you can find anything you need and the inspiration, that little push na kailangan mo para mag-start ka ng business mo. That's where we want to go.
Ayan. Okay. Kailangan ba natin ng final word or anything else you want to share, by the way?
Anything else I want to share? Okay. Manood mo kayo. Please watch, tune in, like how you tune in sa agribusiness. Please go ahead to my channel and watch our latest video. So from anything business, food business, home-based business, online business, and services, you can find it in Pinoy How To. And it's not just about how to start a business. A lot of people go to Pinoy How To. Sabi nga nila minsan daw, daily na nilang pinapanood kasi daily they need a push na they just need an encouragement. Or kung meron kang pinagdadaanan sa business mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. Yan ang yan, most of those problems ay na-encounter din ng ibang negosyante. So, just need that company and you need that push. You will get it for sure in Pinoy How To.
And by the way may mga nami-meet ako, subscribers, resource persons, sinasabi nila, ang magandang agribusiness, pero meron pang isang magandang channel. Di napapaisip kami ni Sofia, hindi kami, saan po yun? Pinoy How To. So tumatawa kami kasi, that's all ours. Anak ko yun, yung Pinoy How To. So, may mga nagsasabi subscribers na may pagkakahawig daw si agribusiness at saka sa Pinoy How To.
Yes.
'Di ba? Meron kang experiences like nagugulat sila na dad mo sa agribusiness.
Yeah. Sabi nila, sana pala siya yung una kong minessage. Sabi ko naman, yan mo sir, siya na next.
All right.
Thank you. I'll just ask you questions.
Question, is this for your channel na?
No.
Okay.
The questions for you as a businessman. Okay. Okay. I think number one, let's go back to the first 3 years mong nagne-negosyo. Ay, hindi, wag mo na pala yan. And yung time na nag-decide ka na magbe-business ka. Why?
Oh, well, graduate ako ng college na ang mindset is mag-work. Si nanay ay negosyante somehow kasi nagtitinda siya ng bagoong sa palengke. At but because probably dahil alam mo yun, yung sobrang hirap ng buhay, laging ubos yung puhunan niya for family needs. Probably siguro yan dahil hindi naman sila professional, ganyan. So nagne-negosyo siya pero hindi lumalaki yung business, ganyan. So that's the reason why ang mindset siguro sa amin ay o mag-aral ka kasi magtatrabaho ka, ganyan. So that exactly what happened, di ba? Nagtrabaho ako immediately, and ang unang seryosong trabaho na napuntahan ko ay Agri 7 and Nego 7. It's a TV show, multi-awarded TV shows ng aming company at saka ng GMA. And doon, habang natututo ako ng production, natututo akong mag-business, natututo ako sa business, at sooner or later, gusto ko nang maging negosyante. At kung magsalita ako, negosyante na. Ganon. So, since then, sabi ko, kung mawawala ako sa work na to, gusto kong mag full-time sa business. Dumating doon sa time na sinasabi ko na kaya hindi nag-fly yung business ko. By the way, habang nag-work ako, nagbe-business na ako, ha? At the age of 23, may mga business na ako.
Yung lugawan.
Ang dami. Nauna pa, nung single pa ako, madami na ako ng mga naging ventures na trinay. So, ayun, sabi ko, bakit puro flop? Maybe because I don't have the time.
Ano yung flop, mga nag-flop mo ano?
Candle making.
Nag-candle making ka?
Oo, framing business.
Framing?
Framing, yeah. We have ornamental plants. We have
Sampalok,
we have yung miniature plants, dish garden and terrariums. Yan. So, mga latter na yan, ang mga bandang ano na. So yun, sabi ko...
Bakit ayaw mo sabihin na nagsampalok ka, nagpastillas ka din?
Nagsampalok ako, nagpastillas ako, di ba? Fried chicken, no?
Oh
we have KFC. We have karinderya. Di ba?
Yung lugawan
mo. Lugawan.
Ano lugawan mo na?
Lugawan. Hindi ko alam pangalan ng lugawan before. Ang dami kong talaga naging business. Yun, I think it's the same thing yung nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. Kaya I was surprised na yung sinasabi mo ay that exactly my experience before.
Oh my God.
Kaya ako na ang final destiny ko talaga ay maging negosyante.
Wow. Well, that's a good thing if history repeats itself. It should.
Well, it depends upon you.
Yeah.
Diba?
Okay.
It's really you.
So, from that decision mo na magkukwit ka mag-work, ano ang first business idea mo?
No, before ako mag-quit ng work, marami na akong negosyanteng nag-flop.
Nung
I
nag-decide
keep on doing business, diba?
Yeah.
Nung nag-decide na ako, we are into ornamental plants.
Okay.
Oo, we buy and sell ornamental plants. We go to mga bazaars, trade fairs, ganyan. Nagbebenta kami ni Mami ng mga halaman.
Okay.
Yan. Magaling magbenta yan, sobra, grabe. Push talaga. Walang lalabas ang tindahan niya na walang bit-bit na halaman. Ganon siya kagaling magbenta.
Ang naalala kong nung nag-quit ka na sa ABS, ang mga lines niyo sa amin ni Mami ay, okay, ito na yung last Jollibee natin na. Or Sunday. Last Jollibee na muna to kasi hindi na mag-work si daddy nyo. Mag-business na siya. Parang ganun na.
That's the second time. That's already the second time.
Na-attempt mo.
Yeah, that's the second time na seryosong attempt na mag full time.
So the first
The
attempt,
first time nag-flop, 'di ba? I'm so happy na ang daming taong naiyak ako tumulong sa akin. Ang daming mabait na tumulong, pinautang ako
may pinautang ka.
para lang maka-continue. I remember si Mr. Zambrano. Meron siyang bank.
Mr. Zambrano? Sino si Mr. Zambrano dati?
I forgot his first name, pero meron siyang bangko dito sa Tandang Sora. Tapos na-feature ko siya, tapos sa TV. Tapos mabait siya sa akin. Tapos nung nagbe-business na ako, umutang ako pangpuhunan. Sabi ko, kailangan ko to kasi magka-quit na ako ng job. Tapos so yun, marami gamitin ako. Ay, nag-flop yung business. Hindi ako makabayad.
Magkano mga inutang mo?
At that time, maliit lang yun. Pero syempre, nowadays, sobrang liit nun. Pero at that time, ang laking pera, no?
Magkano yan? I wanna
I
know.
don't know. I can't remember kung 100,000 or gano'n. Tapos, hindi ako makabayad. Hindi ako nagpakita. Hindi ako nagpakita sa kanya. Tapos, sabi ko, flop, I really have to find another job. Baka hindi para sa akin yung business. So, that's the reason why nakarating ako ng ABS. And then, nung nasa ABS na ako, alam mo naman, talagang I work hard.
Yeah.
I really work hard. So, in 6 months time, nung nasa ABS ako, nakabawi na, nakaipon kami ng pera, bumalik ako sa kanya para bayaran siya. Tapos, nakangiti siya. Sabi niya, alam ko na time will come that you will come back to pay your loan. But sabi niya, hindi naman ako interesado doon sa winave niya lahat ng interest. Tinanggal niya lahat. Hindi naman ako interesado doon sa, alam mo, it's just that alam niya na sooner or later babalikan ko siya para bayaran ko siya. Parang it's more on yung word of honor. Gano'n.
Like integrity.
Integrity. Natuwa siya sa akin. Sobrang tuwa niya sa akin. Na binalikan ko siya. Sabi niya sa akin, nung uutang ka pa lang, sinabi mo na i-give up mo yung work mo, alam ko na this will happen. Sabi niya, you know what? Kaya nakakabayad ka before? Because you have job. So, come what may pambabayad ka kasi may sweldo ka. Pero nung wala ka ng work, tapos hindi kumita, wala ka talagang pambayad. Sabi niya sa akin, anong plano mo ngayon? Sabi ko, mag-start dahil nakabuelo na ako, mag-iipon lang ako, and then magbi-business ulit ako. So yung naaalala nyo na nag-business ulit ako after ABS, that's the second try. Yun na yun. Yeah. Iyak mo ako.
Sino pa yung mga tumulong sa'yo nun?
Ang dami tumulong sa akin. Si Mr. Viray.
Sino si Mr. Viray?
Printing.
You transfer it?
No.
Ang pinag
Kaya ako naiyak.
Sobrang bait nun. Ito naman, after ABS na. After ABS, diba? The fastest way to makatawid ako is yung wedding video, remember? So, nag-attend ako ng mga bridal fairs. Kulang din yung pondo, napitan ko siya. By the way, na-feature ko rin siya before. Tapos napitan ko siya. Sabi niya sa akin, I'm willing to help you, just explain to me what's your business. Sinabi ko, I'm doing wedding video, I'm attending mga bridal fairs. Sabi niya, how many weddings you have per month? Sabi ko, I'm so proud to tell him na I have 8 wedding videos a month during peak season. Sabi ko, that's my maximum. Pwede siguro kumuha ako ng more than that, but that's super pagod. But the 8 weddings per month, I'm already happy with it.
Pero nakaka-16 weddings.
Tapos sabi niya, pero nakaka-16 weddings ako a month, ganyan, during December. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, how much you charge? Sabi ko, mataas na yung 50,000. Sabi ko na mga 20,000, ganyan, 25. Yung 50,000, sobrang mataas na yan. Sabi niya sa akin, you know what? Hindi ka yayaman dyan. Sabi niya sa akin, I'm not discouraging you. Kung gusto mo pa rin ituloy yan, I'm telling you now na hindi ka yayaman dyan. Because how much is 50,000 times 8? That's only 400,000. Hindi ka yayaman sa halagang 400,000. Sabi niya, yayaman ka kung ang kontrato mo or you're dealing na millions ang contracts mo. Mga 400,000 walang pupuntahan, hindi ka yayaman dyan.
400,000 a month, hindi ka yayaman?
Yeah, hindi ka yayaman dyan, sabi niya. Sabi niya sa akin, kung ang business mo lang ay printing, sasabihin ko na sa iyo yung sekreto para bukas mayaman ka na, ganyan. But iba yung business mo. But ang sabi niya sa akin, I will still support you. Ano yung kailangan mo? Kailangan mo ng brochures. Sige, pag-print kita, I'll give it to you for free. It's my help. Ganyan. Pero sabi niya, isipin mo ano ang negosyo mo na video related because that's your expertise. Video related na dapat kikita ka ng malaki. Pag-isipan mong buti yan. I'm not telling you na gumawa ka ng katarantaduhan, kabulastugan, into corruption. No. You can earn a lot of money by doing the right thing. Yan. Mga ganon. Ang daming tumulong sa akin. Sobra. That's the reason why siguro during nung may production house na ako, 'di ba? Malilit pa kayo, 'di ba? Ang dami kong staff, 'di ba? Generous akong magbigay ng sweldo. Because all my life, very sobrang swerte ko sa naging mga trabaho ko. Naging maganda ang sweldo ko. Madaming taong tumulong sa akin. And somehow, it's my own way to give back.
Grabe, may ganun palang storya. May ganun palang storya. Oh my God. And then, ano pang ano? yun ang mga taong hindi mo makalimutan.
Hindi ko sila makalimutan. Sobra.
So marami palang mga ganong businessmen na dahil ano na sila, like established na sila, they're just willing to help other businessmen na nag-start pa lang. Kaya siguro, naalala ko lang nung kayo ni Mommy, nag-start ka din sa video production. Like, marami kang binibigay na free. But you say kasi na that's for your marketing. Like, you're generous to give it free at first. Pero, am I right na that's also because you received help from others that way? Ganon?
Hindi siguro kasi you know what, kung struggling ka, hindi mo naman maiisip yung to help pa. But at least dito sa YouTube, di ba, it's overwhelming yung natulungan mo. You know, yung people come to you and they tell you na natulungan mo sila because of your channel. Yeah, it's, di ba, nagawa ko rin yung part ko. Yung ginawa nila sa akin, nagawa ko rin yan. Kaya nga sabi ko, ito yung business ko because, di ba, hindi siya yung hindi siya yung ginagawa mo to para kumita ka ng malaking pera. It's not that di ba? Kumikita ka and yet mas malaking impact yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
Helping people.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Supposedly para to sa...
Okay, ang next question ko, what is the best piece of advice a businessman has given you? Like, yung naging part ng core, principle mo as a businessman?
Well, hindi ko makalimutan si Sir LJ Sumulo. Sinabi niya, just do things every day, little things every day, and sooner or later, it will increment to something big. Hindi mo mamalayan, malaki na, di ba? Yung agribusiness, di ba? It started nothing, di ba? From 0 subscriber to million plus subscribers, di ba? And it's something na hindi mo yun ginol, hindi mo yun pinangarap. It's just that you want to create videos regularly, you put effort every day, and then, nakarating ka doon. Di ba? Yung lahat ng nakikita nila ngayon, akala nila ganun lang. No, talagang dugo at pawis yung pinagdaanan bago ako makarating dyan.
What about, what's the yung, alam mo yung nasa verge ka na ng magkukwit ka na sa business, ganyan. And ano yung kinailangan mong advice ng isang businessman sa'yo?
Si Alvin Kasumbing, friend ko siya during college. Yung first attempt ko na mag full time sa business, di ba flop na?
Yeah.
So tinawagan ko siya, sabi ko, Alvin, parang hindi ko na kaya, parang I need to give up and go back to employment. Sabi niya sa akin, bakit? Ilang taon ka na bang nagbe-business? Sabi ko, 3 years. Tapos tumawa siya.
Bakit ilang years na ba si Tito?
Sabi niya, 3 years ka palang nagbe-business ako. It took me 15 years ba ako maranasan yung fruit of my labor. Why? Ba't ka magkikwit? Hindi ko makalimutan yan.
So matagal na palang businessman si Tito Alvin bago ka pa
Yeah, hindi siya nag-work from college. Nag-graduate kami, nag full-time businessman siya immediately.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And nowadays, ano ba? Of course, si Sir Ricky Bonomi, diba? Ibang klase yung insights. You know what? Sometimes you have to talk to successful people kasi iba yung mindset, iba yung perspective. And yun yung tipo ng naririnig mo. Yung mga piece of advice, yung principles nila, yung naririnig mo.
Yeah, principles.
And yun ang dapat ma-invite mo para mag-succeed ka. Well, hindi, wala pa, malayo pa, di ba? Hindi pa naman ako yung super successful, no? But, depende dun sa description. But, kung yung pag-uusapan ay yung nagawa mo ba yung mission mo to disseminate information to help people, di ba? Nagawa ko yan. Yeah.
Okay, eto na lang last.
Parang ayaw ko i-air ito.
Bakit? Totoo?
Sige. Oh, game.
If, ano ang gusto mong ibigay na advice sa akin? Sa akin.
Kailangan mo siyang malalim yung pagmamahal mo o paggusto mo doon sa ginagawa mo. Hindi pwedeng dahil kailangan mo lang kumita ng pera. Hindi pwedeng dahil wala ka lang choice. Hindi pwedeng dahil ito yung opportunity nasa akin ngayon. That will not work. Dapat iniisip mo, meron kang may advocacy siya. May purpose siya yung ginagawa mo. Na kikita ka, magiging rewarded ka financially, pero may naibigay ka na mas malaki. I think that's yeah. Yun yung difference nung agribusiness compare. I don't want to compare, no. I don't want to kasi kanya-kanyang kanya-kanyang audience, kanya-kanyang way to attract audience, 'di ba? Iba-iba yung audience natin, iba-ibang klase ng audience natin.
Yeah, wrapping it up.
Okay. Ayun. Akala ko mag for your channel.
Hindi na. Okay na.
Alright, so hindi ko in-expect yung mga line of questions mo.
Magaling na ba siya?
Oo.
Oh my God. Sabi nga nila, lagi ko raw silang pinapaiyak sa interview.
Sino, ikaw?
Oo, sabi ng mga interview ko.
Umiyak sila.
Oo, may mga naiiyak. Hindi ko naman alam. Hindi ko basta pinapaiyak. Hindi, it's just, you get to reach the heart. That's fine.
Yeah, that's important. That's important. Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.